Good morning. Cheryl, retired sock monkey here. Thought I'd do a little short clip on a nature trail. There's several here. I think I videotaped a couple that were cement, like sidewalk trails that you could walk or ride your bike. But this trail right here, there's several of these throughout the community. We are so lucky to have all this acreage, this preserve area that we can enjoy and not even go very far. Kind of feel like you're in the middle of a forest. So quiet, serene. What's nice is along some of these trails, there's benches, because we are a senior community. So if you get tired, you could sit. Just walk it. Then there's also some trails that go up to the street. So you can walk part of the trail and then part on the street. So nice. See the homes, there's some homes up there, very close. People walk coming this way. Signing off. Like and subscribe.